As a kid, I was really interested in robotics and programming. And I happened to find out that HAMK provides this program. But also, I chose Finland because, well, Finland has one of the best education systems in the world.
I've always wanted to do engineering, and I was already studying electrical and automation engineering back in high school.
I like HAMK because it provides world-class educations with trained teachers and modern lab facilities.
The best thing about the studies was probably the way how it's very practical, and also, of course, the amount of people that I've met here and the friendships that I got to make.
And I enjoy working, especially in the lab, because the lab is so cool.
This degree raises a generation of engineers with practical skills that is really applicable in the real world.